Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And in our lesson today, we are simplifying these problems under trigonometric identity. Two of them. We apply trigonometric identities of tan 60 and tan 30 to simplify this question as well as the identities of these angles to solve these triangles. So for here, I will have 1 plus trigonometric identity of tan 60 is root 3. That is plus root 3. Trigonometric identity of tan 30 is 1 over root 3. So we multiply 1 over root 3. We are multiplying it all over. Repeat it here. Tan 60 is root 3. We have root 3 plus tan 30 is 1 over root 3. 1 over root 3. You can equally use the rationalized form of this term to solve. The rationalized term is square root of 3 over 3. You can make use of this and get the same solution. So let's simplify. This square root of 3 will cancel out the square root of 3. So that we have 1 plus 1, which is 2. Then simplifying denominator here. Square root of 3 will multiply square root of 3. We have 3 plus 1 over square root of 3. Now, you know how to simplify fraction. If you are given 2 plus 3 over 4, how would you solve it? That is exactly how you will solve this. So I applied my own method of simplifying cases like this. So add here we have 2 over 4 over 3 over root 3. Now you know that this and this are together because they are denominator here. So I'll be taking reciprocal of this guy. Look at it here. This guy, they are together. So this is same as 2 divided by, this 2 is being divided by these two guys. 4 over root 3. Then take the reciprocal and multiply. That is 2 times square root of 3 over 4. Alright. Now 4 can cancel out 2. So that we have 2 remaining. So solution becomes half of root 3. You know we have 2. Instead of writing it as root 3 over 2, you can write it as this. And that is the solution to the number 1 question. Let's solve the second question. So to simplify, we are looking for x. And if I have any of the lengths, let's say here and here, I should be able to solve for this length. But this length and this length are not present, so I can't solve for this. But I can possibly get the length of b, this b, using 8 and this angle present here. So I'll simply say this angle, let's get the trigonometric identity of this angle 60 using the mnemonic so 2. Okay. Now looking at this, we have b and 8. Here is the hypotenuse and here is the opposite. Here is facing this angle. So where do we have O and H? O and H. That is sine. So I'll be using sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. So what next? This is sine 60 degrees equals, my opposite is b over 8. Then we multiply. This becomes b equals 8 sine 60. Now, what is the trigonometric identity of sine 60? That is, we are multiplying square root of 3 over 2. Sine 60 is square root of 3 over 2. Now, 2 can divide 8, we have 4. So, b is 4 root 3. So, we have gotten the opposite here as 4 root 3. Then we want to find x. Talking about x, the angle we were given is at this position. Here is the longest part of this triangle. You see, we have this triangle. So this is the longest part, which makes it the hypotenuse. Now this guy, angle here, this side is touching the given right angle as well as the provided angle. That is the adjacent. Anywhere touching the 90 degrees and provided angle is the adjacent. So here is adjacent. So go back to your SOHCAHTOA. Where do you have adjacent and hypotenuse? A and H. A and H. So we make use of cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. That is cos 45 degrees equals, our adjacent is 4 root 3 over x. Okay. Then we cross multiply. This time is, that means our x will be 4 root 3 over cos 45. And then trigonometric identity of cos 45 is 1 over root 2. So I'll be having x to be equal to 4 root 3 over 1 over root 2. Finally, we simplify here. To simplify here, take reciprocal of 1 over root 2. Take reciprocal of this. That means we have x to be equal to 4 root 3 times root 2 over 1. Taking reciprocal of this to multiply this numerator. So square root of 3 times square root of 2 is square root of 6. So we have x to be equal to 4 square root of 6, which is the length of x. And that becomes the solution. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please do well to like this video, share it with your friends, and follow for more interesting tutorials. See you in my next video lesson. Bye bye.